Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation. It is November 14th of 2020, and today we are at the grand opening of the Detail Garage's new location in Buford, Georgia. And I am here with Christian of Chemical Guys, and Christian's going to tell us a little bit about the store, a little bit about the products, what they do, what you can find, and how they're going to work for you. So Christian, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, man, thanks for having me on.
And I'm going to let you have at it.
Cool, for sure. So Chemical Guys, if you guys already know, it's a lifestyle company. We manufacture the best, if not the greatest, detailing products out there. But Detail Garage is what brings that all to life. Detail Garage is the experience of Chemical Guys. You can come in here, you can talk to an expert. We're kind of like, I like to say, the Apple of car care products. You come in here, we're the genius part. We're going to tell you exactly what you need, how you need it. We're not going to upsell you anything, and we're also going to teach you how to use the product, which is the best thing, right? You can walk in anywhere, purchase our products, but nothing beats coming into a Detail Garage and getting that full-on experience.
Awesome. So as our viewers know, our cars that we buy are always inexpensive, and they're always a little crusty, and they're always a little dirty. And so we are actually going to make practical application of some of the products that are here. Christian is going to help us do that. We're going to use some of these products as we continue to rejuvenate our cars, and we hope that you all like the results. We hope that you all like the store. And I suggest that if you do like what you see, that you check out the Detail Garage. They're not just here in Georgia. Where else are you guys?
We're actually, this is our 72nd store. We're across all the US and Canada. So if you search up Detail Garage or Chemical Guys, we're probably right next to you. You don't even know it.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us. We hope you like the store. We hope you check them out. So Christian's going to take us around the store, and he's going to fill the bucket with the products that we need to keep our cars on a budget and get them clean and produce great results. So show us where we're going to start.
Do it, man. So I heard you work with a lot of, like, I'll call them dirty cars, right?
Right.
So the best thing that you can probably use are citrus washing gloss.
Okay.
It has a bunch of citrus in there, so it's going to get rid of all that heavy dirt, that heavy mud. Sometimes even like some of the pitting that might be on there.
Okay.
What you do is you shake this up, put it in a foam can. You can do it in a traditional wash bucket. Wash the car. It's going to knock off all that heavy dirt and make it look like it's just been waxed without actually applying any wax.
Awesome.
So that's the first step on there. On top of that, you also need a good wash mitt, because if you don't have a good wash mitt, it's almost like trying to scrub yourself with just a bar of soap. So what I would recommend is using like a soft noodly wash mitt like this. You stick your hand in there, you're able to wash the entire car with it. It's not going to scratch, which I mean, you know, you definitely want, even though your car's a little bit crappy or whatever. So stick your hand in there, wash them. You don't have to worry about scratching anything. And then after, do you guys do a lot of like interior stuff?
We do.
Okay, cool. Leather, because I know you
They're primarily leather because most of our cars are old German sports sedans.
Cool. So the best thing that you can do for your leather is clean it first. The leather is just like skin. You want to spray this onto a towel, wipe it down. This will remove any like heavy dirt, heavy oils, grime that might be built up over the years, especially from it sitting like in the junkyard. Okay. Then afterwards, you want to follow up with a leather conditioner. Okay. The conditioner is what's going to bring your leather back to life and make it look soft and supple again, and protect it from like UV rays, the sun rays, and like all the body oils that come off of you. And it's going to make your leather look like it was meant to be. And it's going to smell great. I don't know if you can smell this, but check it out. It's going to restore the smell of the leather in your car as well too. So if you have any funky odors in there, it's going to start smelling like that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right?
It smells like leather, folks.
Smell vision. And then on top of that, I mean, basically, I imagine that the carpet's pretty messed up as well too all the time, right? Pretty grimy. So our lightning fast works great for that as well too. So it's a spray on, and basically you spray it onto the affected areas, whether it's like a big spot, little spot, anything like that. You scrub, and just dab it with a towel and you'll be good to go.
Awesome.
Yeah. That's interior stuff. Next is for the paint, like the final touches, and also wheels and dressing as well too, because I mean, nothing really stands out, and it all goes like the outfits thing too. I always compare cars to outfits, like, you know, wheels are just like your shoes. If your shoes aren't fresh, the rest of your outfit's not fresh. I can tell from your director over there too. But basically, if you want really good paint, like after you're done, I always recommend the synthetic quick detail spray. Okay. The synthetic quick detail spray, the awesome thing about this is that you can use it on glass, you can use it on mirrors, you can use it on paint, you can use it on wheels, you can use it on anything around the vehicle. It's gonna add extra shine, extra gloss, and also protection as well too.
Awesome.
For your tires, do you guys like to do like the shinier dressing?
More of a matte dressing and just black.
And just black?
Yes.
Our natural shine, you can't go wrong with it. Our natural shine actually will give you like that OEM original brand new tire look. It's not going to be overpowering or like overwhelming with shine, but it's just going to look clean, sleek, and basically make BMW and Mercedes-Benz look beautiful. Awesome. They want it to be, right? Wheels probably beat up by the time you guys get these things as well too. Our wheel cleaner, you cannot go wrong with it. The wheel cleaner, you spray it on. It can work in multiple ways depending on how dirty the wheel is. You can spray it on and hose it off with a pressure washer if you have to, or if they're really, really dirty, you might need to agitate it a little bit with a brush, but nothing that you can't handle for sure.
Okay.
And then the final step, do you guys ceramic coat these things?
Yes, we do. Right now we're using the Sonax CC36 kit.
So you have multiple choices with us. You have something that will get you in and out quick. You spray on, wipe off, it will be ceramic coated. You have something else that's you have to apply like a traditional wax.
For our viewers, we probably want something quick.
Okay, cool. So it's actually our newest thing. It's called Hydro Speed.
Okay.
It's a quick detail spray with ceramic in it, so you can actually use it as a quick detailer, or use it as a maintenance for your existing ceramic coating as well too. Also, if you don't have a ceramic coating, you can spray this on, and it'll apply like a thin ceramic coating and give you protection for maybe about 3 months or so. So
awesome.
You know, it's easy on, easy off. You don't have to worry about anything. And yeah, I mean the next thing is our air freshener. So I mean, who doesn't like smelling
exactly,
right?
Let's head over there.
We all know that the girls love the smell of morning wood. Morning wood is the best scent. I mean, I'll open up a small one so you can check it out and you can tell your viewers exactly what it smells like. We like to have fun here at Camel Guys, so I mean, some of our scents are fun, some of them are kind of sophisticated.
It smells clean.
You're right?
Just clean.
That's why the girls love it.
Yeah.
Now, what actually put us on the map is our Signature Series scent, and I'll have you smell this one. This one reminds me of good times in Vegas, the Spearmint Rhino, you know, Hustlers, all that stuff.
Yeah, vanilla.
Can I get your cameraman to smell it?
Absolutely.
Behind the scenes right here.
That's so right.
It smells like candy from Spearmint Rhino, huh? Let me tell you. And yeah, I mean, we have anything from fresh glazed donuts all the way to stripper set. So
awesome.
I'll let you guys choose that one.
We're gonna do the morning wood because it just smells clean.
Cool, man. I'll get you a big bundle of that one.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I think that's pretty much it. I mean, other than this, we're gonna grab you some towel and we'll be on our way.
Awesome. So there we have a budget kit to get your car back to where it needs to be, so that you can be proud of it. So thanks to Christian.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for walking us through your product line, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for joining us at the Detail Garage and their grand opening. We suggest that if you like to clean your cars, that you try their products. We're going to try them in a few of our videos, and we're going to show you the results. Remember to hit comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to join our nation. Thanks for watching.